Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to remove background from photo in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to create an account here in Canva and then upload a photo. For example, this one right here, you want to remove the background. Now, I just want to remind you that the background remover is only available on Canva Pro. You can use a free trial if needed, but you cannot use this if you're using the basic version. All you have to do is to tap on this feature remover right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the result right away. So that's it. You just have to upload the picture or either the video, and then make sure that you're using the Canva Pro in order for you to avail this. So here, create a design and then choose your preferred size. It could be Instagram, YouTube thumbnail, or custom size. The good thing about Canva is that you can replace a picture as a background for this picture right here. So let's just say if I look for a picture or grab picture from elements, all I have to do is to set this as a background or layer send to back, and you should see the result right away. So again, just upload a photo, tap this video remover, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see the result right away. With your image selected and at the side panel, just click this background remover and wait for a few seconds for the process to complete. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.